Alright, so here I am putting on my JDM turn signals. And they're a little bit different from the dot turn signal. So let's look at the dot turn signal here. So obviously the dot turn signal. Let's look at the connectors. So both of them are, they're bullet connectors. Both butt connectors. They're both male. So on the, obviously on the wiring harness side, they're both females. But the what comes with the JDM lights, one side, and the JDM light is actually black, whereas the clear one is the non-JDM. So one side, the positive side, is a male bullet, but the ground side, and I snipped it off already, the ground side is actually a female. So obviously you can't put two females together. So the wire harness female is also a female. So I actually have to make my own little bullet connectors. So I just made one right here like this. The things I have the tools and I have the little parts to make it. So I made that, and that'll plug right in. So I just need to do the other side to plug it in, and I'll be done with that. So that's one thing to be mindful of when you do the JDM Euro turn signals. You gotta cut the ground side female, because the harness side is also female, and make it into a male. That way it can plug in. Okay, so that's one thing. I have no idea about the back. I actually haven't even looked at the back yet. Actually, let me look at the back right now. So here's the back side. So the back side is the center, the tail light, obviously, and the turn signals, two right here. So they're both bullet male connectors. But the let's see where the here it is. So okay, so the Euro JDM ones, the ground side is a female, as you can see, it's female, and the positive side is a male. So yeah, so I'm gonna have to cut this one too and make this into a male as well. So so that's one thing you have to do. Okay.